it-extraposition in active sentence. Like it-extraposition in passive sentence, we also have in the same in active sentences. It-extraposition is not confined to passive sentence, as we have just seen in sentence 1 and sentence 2. If you read through the text again, you will also find sentences which show the same process. For example, it arouses indignation that some night workers are in the regular habit of sleeping for a large part of their night. So it arouses. We have a sentence that starts with it and is an active sentence because arouses is an active verb, right? If we try to analyze it, we find sentence NP is it and VP is arouse and NP indignation, and then we have a that clause sentence bar that some night worker. The function of NP indignation is that of direct object, as specification shows. Indignation is aroused by the fact, right? What is the grammatical function of that clause? It supplies the content for it, right? What arouses indignation is, so this is pseudo clefting, that some night worker are in the regular habit of sleeping. So it in 14 is the grammatical subject and the subject clause is the notional subject. That clause is the notional subject. So 14 is another instance of it-extraposition pattern. We can in fact undo the effect of it-extraposition quite easily. Just removes it. So we get, what we get is S and then we get blank space, and VP is arouses indignation, and we have sentence bar that some night worker. Replace now that clause into the original position, so we can have S bar that some night workers are in regular bed. So here is another example of it-extraposition from the text. It is possible that management has been. So again, it is possible. We find that the focus position is towards the end of the sentence, and if we are to remove it, we'll have to shift that clause to the beginning. So what is the analysis of sentence 18? Can we do the effect of it-extraposition? First remove it, then shift that clause to the normal position at the beginning of the sentence. So this is how we can have a reanalysis of the sentence. So the effect of it-extraposition is that the heavy subject clauses move into the focus position at the end of the sentence. So the basic purpose is that the heavy information should be moved to the end of the sentence, so the listener could easily understand it.